everybody, welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are making pepperoni pizza. You're not going to want to miss this one. Well, hey, thanks a lot for joining us again. My name is Chef John Politte and you are watching It's Only Food. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there in the corner and then hit that notification bell so you get notified each and every time that we upload new material. All right, well, you clicked on this video to watch me show you how to make a pepperoni pizza. So let's head into the kitchen and check out our ingredients. And we're gonna go with our bubbly crust again. We've got the original crust and a thin crust, 2 packages of mozzarella cheese, 1 for each pizza, 2 contadina pizza sauce, and 2 pepperonis. That's all there is. All right, what I've got here is I've got our mat and pan that we're going to put our pizzas on. I'm going to put the thin crust one is going to be going onto the mat here. Now we can see the difference in the thin and the thick crust. This is a thicker crust, that's a thin crust. We're going to make the same identical pizza just to see what it looks like in comparison. Now you can buy by Bobbly, these are good shells you can buy, but they also have generic forms and different brands in that aisle where this stuff is located in the store. But I like the Bobbly because I trust it and I've used it before. So, next thing you want to do is we got our sauce. I got some contadina pizza sauce. You can use whatever you want. You can make your own pizza sauce. You can buy tomato puree and just add herbs and spices and garlic to it to get it to where you want it to be. Or you can use this. I'm doing a quick and easy video today to just show you how simple it is to make your own pie at home. So we're just gonna get our sauce on there. I can probably go with 1 bottle for each pizza. Or I'm sorry, 1 bottle. Well, we'll see. I doubt it. Get as much sauce as you want on there. Then all I do is take a spoon and just spread it around the pizza till it's about a ½ inch from the edge. And that gives you that lovely crust that you get when you get to the bottom part of it that you can give to your dog if that's what you want to do. Next we go with the cheese. As much as you want or as little as you want. Again, just spread it out to have as much as you want on there. We're going to need both bags, it looks like. It is important to note that you do need to preheat your oven according to package directions. The Bobbly says to preheat your oven to 450. I've had it on for about 2 minutes now to get it hot before we put our pies in. A little more cheese on this one. Again, just spread it out like you'd like. And then next, the pepperoni and or your toppings, whatever you're doing. In this case, we are making a pepperoni pizza. So I'm just going to take them out. Oh. And then I'm just going to put them on the pie all the way around. Same thing with our other pie. We're just going to put everything on all the way around. I don't know what these are. Packet enclosed to keep product fresh. Okay, so it's not a seasoning packet. And I did remove it so I don't bite into it later. That's good. I have never seen that before. So there's 4 elements for a good pizza, and that's crust, cheese, sauce, and toppings. And in each one of those elements, you've got to make sure that you've got a very, very good quality product. So make sure when you get your crust, if you make it from scratch or you buy it, make sure it's the best quality one you can get. The same with the sauce. Like I said, you can make your own sauce if you'd like, whatever you want to do, because it's all going to combine to make that great pizza. Same with the toppings and the cheese. There are certain cheeses that are made just for, mozzarella cheeses I should say, that are made specifically for pizzas in the way that they melt. So if you're in the restaurant game and you're doing pizzas, certainly talk to your vendors and your purveyors about that, because they will make sure to get that for you, and if they don't know where to get it, have them look for it. Same with your toppings. Are the pizzas? We have the thin crust right here on the pizza net, and then I've got our thicker crust with pepperoni on it on our pizza pan. I'm going to go ahead and throw them into our oven that has been preheated. It is up to temp, so I'm going to put these pies in there now and bake it in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, they're in the oven. I'm going to shut the door and let them cook. Alright, our pies are out of the oven. We've got our thin crust here, and we've got our thick crust here. I'm going to go ahead and cut them so we can see the difference in the crust. Put a lot of pepperoni on there. Oops. 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 A lot of cheese too. Alright, there's the thick crust. Thin crust. I'm liking the sound of this one already because it's crispy. You can see there, that is the thin crust. I'm going to set that there and then bring this over so we can just see the difference there. The thin and the thick. And these smell very nice. We're going to take some awesome photos of these pizzas for social media. Then we're going to throw on the timeline with some very groovy music. And then we're going to come back and we're going to taste it. So don't go away. Alright, well I topped this off with a little more Parmesan cheese and some red pepper flakes. I'm hoping this has cooled off enough. This was very, very hot when I was plating it. I dropped some sauce on my bare foot, and let me tell you, that felt really good. So there, as soon as we get into focus, there's that piece of pizza right there that I'm going to take a bite out of. Let me throw this camera on the tripod. Here's that piece of pizza. A little more Parmesan cheese, some red pepper flakes. Nice. That's very, very good. Good sauce. I like that Contadina brand. The crust is just perfect. Nice and crispy. Lots of cheese. That pepperoni's got some greasiness to it that I really like. Very good homemade pizza. Try it out. Give it a shot. I want to just add one thing here before we close out. Check out that description box below. You'll see 2 links down there to purchase all of my seasonings. I've got a playlist link down there that shows you how to start your own cooking channel if you choose to do so. And along with that link for that playlist, I'm also got a link for TubeBuddy, which is a tool that every YouTuber needs to check out. And then I have my Amazon store. There's a link for that that's got all the products and all the goodies and gear that I use in the production of this channel. Don't forget to connect with me on all of my social media links that are down there as well in that description box. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, leave a comment below, and then share this video with everybody you know. Thanks a lot for joining us. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.